What if there were no ceiling on what you could achieve? No cap on how far you could go? No limit on what was possible? Just open sky as far as you can see. That's exactly what this expression means. The sky's the limit. English with Bruce. Quick one. The sky's the limit means there is no upper boundary. Your potential, your growth, your possibilities, all unlimited. In Korean, you can say 한계가 없다 or 가능성이 무한하다. This is how people actually say it. She started with nothing, but with that kind of drive, the sky's the limit. Once you master the language, the sky's the limit for where it can take you. This is the last idiom in this series. And I want to say something directly to everyone who has been watching from the beginning. Thank you, genuinely. You showed up, you learned, and you kept coming back. That means everything. The sky truly is the limit for where your English can take you from here. But we're not done yet. See you this Wednesday for one final video.